Getting everything staged up today. Final touches from the queen right here. She's been working hard on this one, putting together all the bedrooms, listening to the queen over there, making sure everything's done correctly. And we got the whole team out right now because we're gonna bust this thing out. It's gonna be live by this weekend, so check it out.
I would seriously get bored if I did everything the same. I wouldn't like it, you know? So each one is unique. Each one has its own style, its own colors, and they all look different. I picked different colored walls. Even though some might look look similar because of white walls, it's like an actual different shade. And everything is selected for the specific house, the lighting, everything. Every once in a while, if I really like a fixture or something, I'll reuse it. I did reuse these blinds that I had at the other house, but only on one window, and the rest were all white. And because I tried it on the one window, I really liked it. I'm like, it's gonna look great in this house. But I try to change it up all the time. Yeah.
So we're here at our latest project. This one's actually really special. It started out, we were gonna Airbnb it, we were gonna keep it as a rental, we didn't really know what we were gonna do. And I told Cookie, I said, I went and bought it. I don't even think I looked at it before I bought it. And I was like, oh, we got a good deal at this house, it's gonna sell itself. And then we went and took a look at it.
Long story short, he wanted me to salvage the flooring that was already here. And I'm like, you're crazy. Everything's gotta go. We gotta gut the whole thing out, start fresh. And then when we did that, we found so many problems that were wrong with the house. We bit off a lot more than we could chew, right?
So I want to tell you guys real quick. In the end of the day, we bought it in an uncertain market, and we paid $600, probably gonna list it for $900. When we bought it, the market went down. I didn't even want to actually complete the offer. It's only because I committed with the sellers, and the sellers had already found another place. But I said, look, I'm a man of my word. I've never backed down on a foot. When I give you a commitment, I'm gonna buy it. So when we bought it, there were 3 or 4 different floors, smelled bad, uneven, nothing worked right. The floor plan was bad. Everything was gonna be that we were gonna lose money. So we're coming to you today to tell you that we figured it all out. We rode the market over the last 8 months. We kind of did a few things on purpose and taking a little bit more time because now we're in a better market. It's super hot. Now inventory is still incredibly low and people are actually trying to pay for the premium. So we want to give you some of the ins and outs of what we did to really make a bad situation something really cool.